What's going on, guys? So I felt it would only be right to do a video on AMC. Congratulations to everyone who has been trading this stock realistically, over the past week since it really started to reclaim that 50-day moving average. That price was right around that $17 mark. And I had made some videos previously in the past, maybe about a week, 2 weeks ago, going back and saying the big area on AMC that really needed to get going from a technical standpoint was to get over this $21 area. That would take out a lot of this sideways consolidation. It would take out a lot of this downtrend, kind of break over. Also kind of correlates with the 50-day moving average here. You can see this red line on my screen. Only reason why I have this big boy chart up here with all these supply and demand zones on here is because I want to get you guys a really clean picture of what we're looking at here with AMC going further. What is happening right now is a little bit of some short covering from people who have been laying down some puts and some short positions for the short term, right? Because AMC is a heavily shorted stock. Not to say that this is, going to be some massive, huge, short squeeze, but there's definitely a little bit of a gamma squeeze going on here with options expiring and getting closer to in the money, and then it's just the whole floor is starting to move higher here. So what I want to kind of point out here is we just entered into a new channel today over this $27 mark. We did close at $29.33. We were up 44% on the day, so congratulations to everyone. Where we stopped, I want you guys to kind of take notice. This is the 150-day simple moving average. So there's a reason why we stopped here. Okay, this is not any secret. There's not no rhyme to reason other than we just came into an area of supply. This area of supply is also correlating with a lot of consolidation and a lot of price action going back to the months of November and December, right? I mean, excuse me, the beginning of December and then this fall off from the end of November that we had here. So I would expect AMC possibly, to continue to ride higher, but to get a little bit more choppy. What AMC really needs to see here, even if it does push this 150-day moving average, it needs a little bit of a back test, possibly into this $27, even $24 floor here, and it needs to go sideways for a little bit. That's going to be the best possible scenario for AMC is if it goes sideways at least 1 or 2 days, allow it to kind of spring itself here and then kind of shoot past this $33.27, which is going to be your big granddaddy of them all, the 200 simple day moving average. So with that being said, anything over $30 here is going to have room to stretch into 33. This is going to be the next big key area on AMC, which is the $33 area. It's also going to correlate with this last time we got up into this area back here in the middle beginning half of December, where we were rudely rejected and got pushed all the way down to a price of around $17, $18. So definitely want to keep that in mind. If you are bullish on the stock and you are holding shares or options, definitely do yourself a favor if you were loading down in these zones. If you were loading down in these zones, definitely take profits on the way up, but you're going to want to hold on to some shares. You're going to want to hold on to some of those contracts, right? Because just due to the fact that if we do start to confirm this $30 area, 33 is the next stop, and then anything over 33 can really just skyrocket 1-2 days higher here into this $42 zone. That would take us up to this prior price action here with a lot of rejection here. How high is the stock going to go? I have no idea. How high can it go? Well, just based on the past history of the stock, we obviously know that this thing can really start to get going. 70, 60, $70. If we kind of just go back here to these highs of $72, I mean, realistically, if the stock wanted to start to take off here, it definitely has room to stretch. Just understand where your supply zones are. We could get a little bit choppy here, but that would be okay. I would like to see it go sideways. And then the next area I really would like to see it take out is the 33.5 area. Anything over 33, I think, becomes a magnet to 42. So just kind of keep that in mind. If we get that close over 33, I don't really see a reason why this won't squeeze into the $42 area before it has some sort of significant back test or sideways consolidation. Congratulations to everyone who's been trading the stock. I am no bull or bear on AMC. I'm just a scalper, just a full-time day trader. So, I'm going to go with the market, whether that be up or down. There's areas of opportunity definitely to the long side here, but I would like to see a little bit of consolidation just to kind of give it a pause, which is completely healthy, right? So even if this week we do get a little bit of a red day or perhaps even 2 red days, it's not the end, guys. It doesn't mean that, stocks coming all the way back down to 12. It just means that it needs to take a little bit of a breather. But definitely with this kind of volume and this kind of momentum, this thing can still continue to squeeze and ride higher into that $33 area. That is our next price target. And like I said, over 33, I think we see 42 very, very quickly. With that being said, subscribe to the channel. Also join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. And I will see you guys on the next video.